from Sumber Hill Retreat. We are currently at the northern part of Bali.
And let's see how we ended up here. Unfortunately it's raining and we had to stop for a while.
At least we have one raincoat or plastic raincoat. It got stuck!
Hello!
You are one of the TikTok ninjas.
Okay, so we finally made it alive.
After
wet.
driving for almost 4 hours in the rain, we managed to come.
The view is amazing.
Oh my god.
This is a perfect office just for me to edit my video.
What is inside, do you believe? No peeking.
The bathroom.
Yes, indeed. Ooh,
Oh.
open air bathroom.
Really?
Yes.
Ooh, I didn't realize.
You have to be quiet when you sit on the toilet.
Hello.
Oh, there are stairs here. There is another.
Let's go upstairs as well.
I thought it was two storage loft. I will take here tonight with wine, chips, Oreos.
Without me.
Without you.
Oh, look at the pool.
Wow.
How's the water?
It's really good.
Should I come in?
Perfect temperature.
Should I come in?
Of course.
Guys, this is day 2 here in Sumber Hill. Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning.
And what I love about this place so far is that you can watch the sunrise from this side, and later you can watch the sunset on that side. Isn't it great?
Wow.
Wow!
It was worth waking up at
No!
5:30.
I'm not a morning person, but
It was so worth it.
I loved it, yeah.
Now let's go back to sleep. It's now time to go for breakfast.
Good morning.
I think I have the best view for breakfast. Isn't it beautiful? You are okay too. So we are currently at the Suma restaurant, which is only one of the 2 restaurants at the Sumber Hill Retreat. You can come here for breakfast or to enjoy an international lunch or dinner. And they also have another restaurant, which is an Indonesian restaurant, where you can enjoy local delicacies. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. That's actually mine.
Let's switch.
So now we are moving to another villa. The next villa is like 1 minute from here with a scooter. Let's go and find out. Finally, I can sleep by myself. Thank God. So here we are, and let me show you the place. Okay guys, this is the most amazing villa we have ever been, without any doubt. Stephanie, are you excited?
Not one, but 2 volcanoes. We did so many things in the past 1.5 months that my phone is practically dead. It has so many things on it that
I couldn't even fly the drone.
Yeah, it messed up everything, so we have to free up some space. It will take a while.
So until then, we can't do anything about it. We will play some cards. I will beat Stephanie.
And a nice view. What more can we ask for?
Oh, I lost again, every time.
So we just came from the grocery store. We bought everything they had: coffee, Oreos, something with chocolate, chips, waffles, croissants, cornflakes, and the best, toast with Nutella. This is not sponsored. We want to spend as much time as possible here in the villa, so we bought a lot of things to get us going through this day and tomorrow. And at this moment, we would like to thank the sponsor of this video, which is none other than Skash. It's the easiest, fastest and safest mobile payment method that also gives you up to 10% cashback vouchers on each of your daily transactions. Download the Skash app now and start saving.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ooh,
So healthy, isn't it?
super healthy.
The weather today is super nice.
You want?
No.
No. Better for me.
Yeah. There are more villas here, smaller than this one. Even there is a new one next to us, which is the same.
Actually, this retreat has more than 50 villas, lofts, apartments, you name it. It's huge. The best thing about this retreat is that they do so much to help out our planet. So what they do is actually they've created a project that is called Metamorfosa, where they actually plant baby corals at a corals nursery, and once they grow old, they move them to the ocean so they can restore the coral reef, which is actually an amazing project. And if you want to support it as well, we will leave a link down below so you can also purchase your own baby coral. Now we are going to chill by the pool, enjoy this villa a bit more, because we are waiting for our third villa to get ready, so we can move in and show that to you as well.
We just made it to our new villa. The previous villa is this one.
I love this one as well because it may be smaller, but I think it's more ideal for a couple.
Yeah.
And it's really cozy.
It is. I love it. And what I love the most here is the bathroom.
Yes. Oh my god, you should show
The bathroom
it from this
and
side.
the shower as well.
If you show it from this side, it's even more beautiful. Look! And you can open the shower as well.
Oh yes.
So Instagrammable.
Yeah, it is.
So we just spent around 30 minutes picking up flowers to fill up this bathtub.
Picking up flowers from where?
We only took the flowers that were already on the floor, so we didn't want to destroy the new flowers. And also the water is from the pool, so we didn't spend any other water from here. And we are leaving from the villa. We're about to explore the retreat a bit more because we want to see a very famous pool that this retreat has with a very nice shape, let's say so. If you have a wild imagination, you will understand what we mean.
You don't need a wild imagination to see that.
We finally managed to find the second common pool here at the retreat, but we have to keep a bit quiet because there are not a lot of people here. They are kindly relaxing, so I don't want to disturb their peace.
So, and as you can see from the drone, the shape of this pool is pretty amazing. Well done, bravo actually to the architect. I feel you, bro. Hello. Stephanie, Noah. Welcome to Santorini. The food is ready. We are having pizza with chicken. Same.
Pizza margarita with chicken. We are not having Indonesian food today. I'm really hungry.
I can see it. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good morning. Good, how are you?
Come on, Stephanie.
It's not that far if you're in a boat, but if you're in a kayak, it's a little bit far away.
Exactly. And we finally made it to Gili.
It took us around 20-25 minutes of paddling with the kayak. Practically, Gili is a land of white sand in the middle of the ocean.
It's amazing.
And the funny thing is that when the tide is low, you can actually walk here. You don't even have to take a boat or a kayak. Somewhere
Yes,
here,
sir.
somewhere over there, I think, is the Metamorfosa baby coral nursery.
By the way, just us.
I feel like castaway.
Hello!
Hello, is anybody there?
Now it's time to go back.
My God.
Hopefully we'll manage to find the way back actually.
Yes, it's pretty windy right now, so I don't know.
Okay, let's go. And we are alive. We just made it back to our beautiful villa.
And that's how our beautiful days here at Sumber Kima Hill Retreat ends, unfortunately.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's escape to the next one.